Good morning, my dear students. Today we have gathered here about the new pattern of examination pertaining to the supplementary reading, a lesson Narayanpur incident and a great martyr ever cherished. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಸೇರಿದೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಸ ಮಾದರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸ ಮಾದರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಭಾಷಾ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ನಾರಾಯಣಪುರ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಟಿರ್ ಎವರ್ ಚೆರಿಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಎರಡು ಪಾಠಗಳ ಒಂದು ಒಂದು ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆನ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ನಾರಾಯಣಪುರ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ನಾರಾಯಣಪುರ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ analysis of the lesson. The main event of the lesson, you know very well, was on the backlight of Quit India movement. You know very well, when was Quit India movement launched? Who launched Quit India movement? So in 1942, Mahatma Gandhi ji launched Quit India movement. So under its backlight, this event, this lesson was prescribed, or this lesson was written. This lesson was written by the famous novelist Shashi Deshpande. And many incidents related to patriotism happened at the time of Quit India movement. You know very well. In previous year, there was a lesson called Narayan Mahadeva Dhoni. It was also based on Quit India movement. So in the same way, many incidents were occurred. Many incidents were happened during Quit India movement. So one such incident was Narayanpur incident. So background of the lesson. So it was the time of, you know very well, Quit India movement launched in 1942. ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ. A teacher in a small town, he was a follower of Gandhiji. A teacher in a small town, he was a follower of Gandhiji, had been arrested by the. So his elder son Mohan wanted a different form of protest against the British. His younger brother and sister Babu and Manju, they were keen to participate in the protests. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಚಳವಳಿಯ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಘಟನೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ಅವರು ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ಅನುಯಾಯಿಗಳು, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಹಿರಿಯ ಮಗ ಮೋಹನ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥವ್ರು ಒಂದು ವಿಭಿನ್ನ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಸಹೋದರಿ ಬಾಬು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಂಜು ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಸಹೋದರಿಯವರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ನಡೆಯುವಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the students under the leadership of Mohan conducted a march against the British. So they have planned a march. They wanted to conduct a march against the British. The march was unusual. As usual, I have already said that Mohan planned to conduct the march in a different way, conduct the protest in a different way. So the march was unusual. It was different. Unusual means different. It was different because they slowly, without any slogans. This, my dear students, this point is very, very important. The march was unusual. Here a question may be asked. An MCQ question may be asked here. The march was unusual because ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ವಾಕ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಲೋಗನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬಾಬು ಅಂಡ್ ಮಂಜು, ದೇ ವರ್ ವೆರಿ know how the march will be going on, but they were disappointed. Here also an MCQ question may be asked. Why the procession, or why was the march disappointed Manju and Babu? ಯಾಕೆ ಮಂಜು ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಬುಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ನಿರಾಸೆ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೇ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೋಹನ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮೋಹನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಸಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಏನೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದು ಈ ತರ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮೋಹನ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಟು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ದೆಮ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೈಲೇಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎ ನೋಟಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಮೋಹನ್ gave the reason that they did not want the police to arrest them. So they just gave a notice and they did not violate any law and order. So ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೋಹನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಬೇಕಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಾನೂನನ್ನ ಭಂಗ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಲುಪಿಸಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಯ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. So next, After that incident, a boy came with a newspaper parcel. A boy bought a newspaper parcel. So that parcel, it was a mysterious parcel. Here also a multiple choice question can be asked here. What was the mysterious parcel? So that mysterious parcel was nothing but a cyclostyling machine. So Mohan, you know very well what is cyclostyling machine. In the previous days, India movement, there was no print, typewriting or a machine or a Xerox machine. That those machines were not invented. So cyclostyling machine was used the slogans of Mahatma Gandhi ji, and they were distributed throughout the country. So that was why cyclostyling machine was invented. So cyclostyling machine was used. So when the boy brought the cyclostyling machine, Mohan kept the machine in the puja room. Puja room means worshipping room. So for that, police suspected Mohan about the cyclostyling machine. So ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಒಂದು cyclostyling machine ತಂದ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದು cyclostyling machine ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಲೋಗನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಹೋರಾಟ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಂತ ಸಂದೇಶಗಳನ್ನ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಷೀನ್ ಅದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಪೂಜಾ ರೂಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನುಮಾನ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And there was a sub inspector called Mr. Patil. He was a police inspector. So he came to Mohan's house and he informed them about forthcoming search of cyclostyling machine. So I have already told you in the previous point itself. I have told you police suspected Mohan cyclostyling machine. So there was a sub inspector, police inspector, Mr. Patil. He came to Mohan's house and he informed Mohan about the forthcoming search. There was a search warrant to search cyclostyling machine in his house. And he helped them by taking away the machine. So ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಇವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ನ ಹುಡುಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರು. ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸರ್ಚ್ ವಾರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಟೈಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. So Mr. Patil wanted to help the Mohan's family because Mr. Patil was the classmate of Mohan's father. So what do we learn from this lesson? We can learn that patriot and nothing is more important than nation. Yes. Next. Now let us have a look about MCQ questions. Maybe like this. It may be appear like maybe ask it like this. The incident was happened at the time of. You can write the answer in the comment box. Comment box ನೋಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? You can so you can write the answer in the comment box and I will verify it after the class. So the incident was happened at the time of. Four options may be given here. Time of non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, Salt Satyagraha. My dear students, I have already told you this lesson or this event was based on the backlight of. So as usual, the incident was happened at the time of Quit India movement. Option C is the correct answer. Quit India movement. Next one is the follower of Gandhiji. There was a follower of Gandhiji. He was arrested in the story. In this story, a follower of Gandhiji was arrested. The question like this, maybe ask it like this. For the follower of Gandhiji who was arrested in the story was a dash. Four options will be given to you. Police, soldier, student, teacher. The correct answer is option D, teacher. Teacher is the correct answer. So next one. The leader of the protest against the British was, I have already told you. While making the analysis of the lesson itself, I have already told you. So who was the leader of the protest against the British? The leader of the protest against the British was dash. Babu, Manju, Mohan and Suman. Four options will be given here. Which one is the correct answer? Mohan. Mohan was the leader of the protest against the British. Next question. They planned a different form of resistance. Resistance means protest. They planned a different form of protest against the British. The different form of protest was, or the different form of resistance was dash. The four options will be given to you. Silent agitation without any slogans, silent agitation with slogans, aggressive agitation, violent agitation. So in the summary itself, I have cleared it properly. I have cleared it perfectly that did not want the police to arrest them, so they did not violate the law and order. Therefore, the correct answer will be option A, silent agitation without any slogans. This is the correct answer. Next question. Babu and Manju were disappointed with the march because in the summary itself I have made this point. Babu and Manju, they were disappointed with the protest or with the march. Why were they disappointed? Because the march was aggressive, the march was silent with slogans, the march was violent, the march was silent without slogans. Because option D is the correct answer. The march was silent without any slogans. Because Babu and Manju, they expected that the march will be aggressive. They wanted to, they definitely they would teach a lesson to the British. But when they saw the march, they were disappointed very much. So they asked reason for this about Mohan. He said that they did not want the police to arrest them, therefore they conducted the march silently. So why were they disappointed? Because they were disappointed because the march was silent without any slogans. Next question. They planned a silent march against the British because they here means Mohan. Mohan was the leader. Mohan and his team planned a silent march against the British. Yes. Why did they plan a silent march against the British? Because there are four answer options will be given here. They did not want the police to arrest them. They wanted to show themselves as the lovers of peace. They wanted to teach a lesson to the British. They wanted to disappoint Babu and Manju. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is they did not want the police to arrest them. Next question. Unless you are Adolf Hitler, this is a quotation. Unless you are Adolf Hitler, said Amma with a smile. Here, Adolf Hitler refers to dash. Who was the Adolf Hitler here? Mohan, Babu, Manju, and Mr. Patil. Yes. Who was the Adolf Hitler here? Mohan. According to Amma, according to Mohan's mother, she just made this comment just with a smile, means fun. Funnily, she said Mohan resembles Adolf Hitler. So here the correct option is option A. Mohan is the correct answer. Next one. The paper given by Mohan to the DSP was. Mohan gave a paper to DSP. So what was that paper? Four options is here. The first one is it was a greeting card. Second one is option B is a notice suggesting them to release Mohan's father. Option C, it was a notice asking them to arrest all the freedom fighters. Option D, a notice served and asked the British to quit India. So which is the correct answer here? Option D is the correct answer. It was a notice. The paper given by Mohan was a notice served and asked the British to quit India. Next one. Suman and another boy bought a mysterious parcel. What was the mysterious parcel? Here, Suman and another boy, they brought a parcel, newspaper covered parcel. It was a mysterious parcel. So what was there in the mysterious parcel? So four options are here. The first one is typewriter. Option B is cyclo-styling machine. Option C is Xerox machine. Option D is notice. Which one is the correct answer? Xerox machine is not the correct answer. Notice is not the correct answer. Typewriter is not the correct answer. Which one is the correct answer? Cyclo-styling machine is the correct answer. The correct answer is cyclo-styling machine. ಸುಮನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ಇಬ್ರು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ತಗೊಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು cyclo-styling machine. I have already told you what is cyclo-styling machine. Cyclo-styling machine is a machine which was used at the time of freedom movement to circulate Gandhiji's message throughout the country. Okay, we shall have a look on the next question. Patil, Mr. Patil, the sub-inspector, wanted to help Mohan's family. I have already told you while we were discussing about summary. I have already told you Mr. Patil, he was a sub-inspector. He helped Mohan's family. So why did Mr. Patil help Mohan's family? Because question may be like this: Patil, the sub-inspector, wanted to help Mohan's family because four options will be given to you. He was a police officer. He was a public servant. He was fond of children. He was a friend of Mohan's father. Which one is the correct answer? As obviously, option D is the correct answer. He was a friend of Mohan's father. Mohan's father and Mr. Patil, the police inspector, they were classmates. So when Mohan's father was arrested, and Mohan planned to conduct a different type of march, a different type of protest against the British, and he wanted to circulate Gandhiji's message throughout his region. Mr. Patil knew very well that the police suspected Mohan about cycle styling machine and about his activities. So therefore, Patil wanted to help Mohan's family because he was a friend of Mohan's father. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, we shall move on to the next question. The second time when someone knocked at the door at night was dash. So you know very well in the story. First, when the door was knocked for the first time, it was Mr. Patil. But when the second time, when the door was knocked at the second time, can you guess who might have come there? Four options are here: soldiers, the police, Patil, commissioner. So obviously, no doubt, when the door was knocked for the second time, or when there was the second time when someone knocked at the door at night, they were none other than the police. Yes, we shall move on to the next one. The protest march was taken out to show. Why was the protest march taken out? What did they want to prove? What did they want to show? Yes, four options are here. Happiness towards the British, whether they wanted to show happiness towards the British administration, or whether they want option B, whether they wanted to show their courage. Option C, whether they have apathy towards British, or option D, whether they wanted to show resistance against the British. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, option D. They wanted to show their resistance against the British. As when Mohan's father was arrested and when Gandhiji launched Quit India movement, Mohan and his team, they also wanted to participate in the Quit India movement. Therefore, they wanted to show their resistance against the British administration. So they wanted the British to go out of the country. Therefore, they have conducted resistance against the British. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, we shall move on to the next one. The students took out the march in a dash way. How did the students take out the march? How was the march conducted by the students? In this way, this question can be asked in many types. The students took out the march in a dash way. This is one type of question. How was the march conducted by the students? This is the second type of question. How did the students take out the march? So in this way, the three types of multiple choice questions can be asked for this statement. Four options are here: peaceful, violent, excited, adventurous. Yes. How was the march? Yes, obviously, I have already told you, Babu and Manju were disappointed because the march was conducted silently without any slogans. So another synonym for that statement is peaceful. So the march was conducted in a peaceful way. Yes. Next one is the cyclostyling machine was kept hidden in the dash, and means to say where was the cyclostyling machine kept by Mohan, or where did Mohan keep cyclostyling machine? Four options are here: front room, puja room, kitchen, hall. Yes. So they kept cyclostyling machine in a puja room. Yes. Here I want to ask a question here. Why was cyclostyling machine kept in the puja room? There are many other rooms. Many other rooms are there in Mohan's family. In spite of that, they kept a cyclostyling machine in a puja room. Yes, of course, Mohan and his friends, other who were present there, they discussed where should they keep cyclostylling machine. The many suggestions came there to keep cyclostylling machine, but his mother said that if they keep cyclostylling machine in the puja room, police could not doubt about cyclostylling machine, because they could not search puja room, worshipping room. It was sacred for everyone, so therefore they could not, they do not have any, they had no doubts about puja room or cycle. If they keep cyclostylling machine in a puja room, definitely it will be safe, it would be safe. So therefore they kept cyclostylling machine in the puja room. Shall we move on to the next question? Okay, right. Patil, Mr. Patil, I already told you, was a sub-inspector, came to inform them about dash. He visited Mohan's house. Why did he visit Mohan's house? He came, um, he came to inform them about what? Four options are here: search warrant, notice, call notice, none of this or none of the above. So, Mr. Patil came to Mohan's house to inform them about search warrant. Police have already Police had already issued search warrant on Mohan's house. They wanted to search about the cyclostylling machine. Therefore, search warrant had already been issued on Mohan's house. So Patil was the sub-inspector. He came to know about, when he came to know about the search warrant on Mohan's house, he visited immediately. He came to Mohan's house and informed them about the search warrant of the police. Okay, shall we move on to the next question? So in this way, these types of back over there, sir. In the slide again. So, my dear students, so in this way, here I have prepared nearly 15 to 17 questions. So, in this way, many other MCQ questions may be asked in the exam. So, it is better to if you go line by line of the supplementary reading, definitely you will reach a success. You will achieve success from this lesson, Narayanpur incident. Now we shall have a short look on one more one more lesson prescribed in supplementary reading, that is a great martyr ever cherished. Shall we move on to that lesson? Okay, a great martyr ever cherished. So before going through the multiple choice question, we shall make an analysis of the lesson. So what was this lesson about? My first question, what was this lesson about? This lesson is nothing but a profile. It is a profile of a young soldier. It was a profile of a young soldier. Next one. Who was that young soldier? Anifuddin. Anifuddin was the young soldier. So this lesson is a profile of Mr. Anifuddin, lieutenant of the Indian Army. Next point. The profile has been written in the backlight of Kargil war. You know very well that in 1998, when our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, was the Prime Minister of India, at that time Kargil war was happened. Pakistan conducted a proxy war, I think. Hello, sir? Proxy war. So the profile, in that war, all of our soldiers fought against Pakistan soldiers bravely, and they won the occupied area in the Kargil sector. So that was really a great victory for India. So this profile has been written in the backlight of Kargil war. Yes. And the next point, the profile infuses the feeling of patriotism. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಟಿರ್ ಎವರ್ ಚೆರಿಸ್ಡ್ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪಾಠ, ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪಾಠ, ಇದು ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದೂವರೆ ಪೇಜ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪಾಠ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಳೆ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರ್ದು? ಒಬ್ಬ ಯಂಗ್ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ ಒಂದು ಲೈಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ದಿರುವಂತ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 1998 ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಟಲ್ ಬಿಹಾರಿ ವಾಜಪೇಯಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಗಿಲ್ ಯುದ್ಧ ನಡೀತು. ಆ ಕಾರ್ಗಿಲ್ ಯುದ್ಧದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಲವಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಸೈನಿಕರು ಪ್ರಾಣತ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ವೀರಾವೇಶದಿಂದ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಆ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನದ ಸೈನಿಕರು ನಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ವತಗಳನ್ನ ವಶಪಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಗೆದ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಹಲವಾರು ಸೈನಿಕರು ಹುತಾತ್ಮರಾದ್ರು ಕೂಡ. ಆ ತರ ಹುತಾತ್ಮರಾದಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸೈನಿಕನ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ ಇದು. ನಾವು ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ summary of this lesson. Hanif means Hanifuddin. He was a 25-year-old martyr lieutenant. He was a man of varied talents and interest. He was a man of varied talents and interest. What were the talents? What were those talents which Hanif had? So he could make useful material with a waste material. That was the varied talent that Hanif had. So he was a 25-year-old martyr. He was a lieutenant in the Indian Army. So he was interested in drawing. Hanif, he was interested in drawing and making beautiful cards out of waste materials. And he loved playing drums. So he was interested in drawing. He had varied interest. I already told you he had varied interest. So he was interested in drawing. And the next one is he could make beautiful cards out of waste materials. He could use waste, by using waste materials he could prepare beautiful cards. And moreover, he loved music, especially playing drums. Next point, he was an introvert. What do you mean by introvert? So introvert means the person who remains alone without mingling with any other people. He always used to keep away from the group. He never share his feelings and attitudes with others. See, always keeps everything with himself and he remains alone. That person was called as an introvert. So Hanif was an introvert. And he always wanted to be alone. He always wanted to remain alone. And he began to make friends by the time when he was 14 years old. So a multiple choice question may be asked here. Hanif began to make friends when he was. So when he was 14 years old, at that time, see, usually when we become 5 years or 6 years, we begin to make friends. When we become 7 to 8 years or when we join school, we used to make friendship with many other boys and girls. But here, as Hanif was an introvert, he began to make friends at the time of 14 years old. When he was 14 years old, he began to make friends. Okay, next slide. His mother had to move from place to place. So Hanif and his brother had to do all their works independently. Yes. So here from this attitude of mother, or because as his mother had to move from place to place, Hanif and his brother learned to do all their works independently. They became independent because his mother was working. His father was dead. He lost his father very early. As he lost his father very early, his mother was working in the broadcasting ministry. So she used to move from place to place and she used to keep Hanif and his brother alone in their home. So they learned to do all the works independently. ಅವರು ಹನೀಫ್ ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ಹನೀಫ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಬ್ರದರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರ ತಾಯಿ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದವರು. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಅವರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹನೀಫ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಮನೇಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನ ಅವರು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಗ್ಲೇನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವರ ತಾಯಿಯ ಒಂದು ವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಮದರ್ made them to learn the life, made them to lead an independent life. ಅವರ ತಾಯಿಯ ಒಂದು ವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗದೇನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಾಕತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅದೇ ತಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ತಾವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆನ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ನೋ ಕೇಪ್ಡ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್. ಸ್ನೋ ಕೇಪ್ಡ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಪರ್ವತದ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳವು. ಕಾರ್ಗಿಲ್ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಪರ್ವತದ ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳವು. ಸ್ನೋ ಕೇಪ್ಡ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟರ್ಟಕ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾರ್ಗಿಲ್. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾರ್ಗಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಟಕ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ನೋ. Now it has been called as a subsector Hanif. Here, a multiple choice question can be asked here. So, the Turtak sector in Kargil was called as a subsector, and if why? So, in memory of his bravery, this is the correct answer. So, in memory of his bravery, in order to remember or in order to memorize Anif's sacrifice and bravery, the Turtak sector in Kargil was named after him or subsector Anif. Next point, we can learn bravery. What do we learn from Anif's life? We can learn bravery, joyful life, commitment, and independent life from Anif's life. Now we shall have a look on the MCQs, multiple choice questions. What type of questions can be asked in the exam? The first question is the sector which was called as subsector Anif in the memory of dash. In the memory of Anifuddin's bravery was the sector which was called as subsector Anif. In the memory of Anifuddin's bravery was dash. Four options are here. Pathankot sector in Punjab, Turtak sector in Kargil, Siachen sector in Ladakh. Option D, Baramulla sector in Jammu. Yes, obviously, option B is the correct answer. Turtak sector in Kargil. This is the correct answer. Okay, now we shall move on to the next question. Anifuddin's friends called him with love as. So his friends used to call him with a different name. Anifuddin's friend used to call Anifuddin with a different name. What was that different name? Or how did his friends call Anif? Four options are here. Pailwan, Badshah, Khalifa, Sultan. Yes, which one is the correct answer? Yes, option C is the correct answer. His friends used to call Anifuddin as Khalifa. Next question. As his mission Anif chose. As his mission, Anif chose to join music group, to start a music band, to start a charitable trust, to join the army. Which one is the correct answer? Yes. 1 minute. Option D is the correct answer. You know very well. Anif was known for his bravery. He was a lieutenant. He was a martyr. He sacrificed his life for the country, for the sake of the country. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. He is, as his mission, he chose to join the Indian Army. Next question is, when Anif was 8 years old, he lost his father, who was an artist associated with, yes, um, four options are here. When Anif was 8 years old, when he lost his father. Here also one more multiple choice question can be asked here. Anif lost his father when he was. So the correct answer is 8 years old. Further question can be asked like this. When Anif was 8 years old, he lost his father, who was an artist associated with National School of Drama, option B, National Academy of Music, option C, National School of Dance, option D, National Academy of Fine Arts. So the correct answer is option A, National School of Drama. So his father was working in the National School of Drama. But it is unfortunate to say that Anif lost his father when he was 8 years old. Shall we move on to the next question? Yes. The next question. In his early childhood, Anif's mother's frequent travels gave him the message that one's duty is dash. So I have already told you, Anif's mother used to travel from one place to another place. This made Anif and his brother to work independently. So for that statement, this question is asked. In his early childhood, Anif's mother's frequent travels gave him the message that one's duty is. Four options are given here. To serve the nation in his life, the most important thing in life, to earn fame in his life, the most difficult thing in his life. So the message that one's duty is the most important thing in life. So he learned to lead an independent life. He and his brother used to work independently, used to do all the works of the household independently. So they have learned to lead an independent life. So the correct answer is one's duty is the most important thing in life. This is the correct answer. So here option B is the correct answer. Next question. Hanif's mother was working in the wing of the Information and Broadcasting Ministry as a Hanif's mother, I have already told Hanif's mother was working and she used to move from one place to another place. So based on that statement, this question is asked. Hanif's mother was working in the wing of the Information and Broadcasting Ministry as a dash. Senior option A, senior news reader. Option B, senior programmer. Option C, vocal artist. Option D, violin artist. So the correct option is option C, vocal artist. She was a vocal artist. So therefore she used to give voice to everyone. So therefore she used to move from one place to another place for her work. Okay, next option, next question. As an introvert, I have already told you, Arif was an introvert. So he began to make friends only by the time he. So when did he begin to make friends? So four options are here. Option A, when he joined the army, began to make friends. Option B, when he joined the college, then he began to make friends. Option C, he began to make friends when he was 25 years old. Option D, he began to make friends by the time he was 14 years old. Which one is the correct answer? So option D is the correct answer. He began to make friends by the time he was 14 years old. Next question. Hanif would often go out of his way to help people because that gave him dash. Four options are here. A certain kind of joy. Hanif would often go out of his way to help people. So sometimes Hanif used to go out to help people. He had the helping nature. He wanted to help people. So why did he want to help people? Because that gave him. Four options are given. A certain kind of joy, an opportunity to make friends, more popularity and money, a sense of eternity. Yes, option A is the correct answer. So helping people gave him a certain kind of joy. Therefore, he wanted to help people. So the correct answer is option A because it gave him a certain kind of joy. Shall we move on to the next question? Okay. Next question. After having basic military training in IMA, IMA means Indian Military Association. So Indian Military Academy, not association, academy, Indian Military Academy. After having basic military training in IMA, for post-training, Hanif joined. So in the Indian Army, there were many regiments were there. Gurkha Regiment, Assam Rifles, Rajputana Rifles, Sikh regiments. In this way, many type of wings were there. Wings are there still. Many types of wings have been there in the Indian Army. So after the completion of his training, for post-training, Hanif joined which regiment or which wing? Four options are here. Gurkha Regiment, Madras Engineering Group, 11 Rajputana Rifles, Assam Rifles. So Hanif joined 11 Rajputana Rifles. It has also been called as Rajput Rifles. 11 Rajputana Rifles. Option C is the correct answer. Next one. Hanif was a man with varied talents and interests. Hanif was a man with varied talents and interests. The statement which supports this is, here four statements are given. Here you have to select which statement supports the quotation. The quotation is, Hanif was a man with varied talents and interests. Here we have given four statements. So you have to, out of four statements, you should select the correct statement which supports the quotation. Okay, now we shall have a look on the options. The first statement. He dabbled in art and sketched very well. He dabbled in art and sketched very well. It means he is very good at art and he is very good at drawing. The second one, option B, is he made beautiful cards out of waste materials. He made beautiful cards with waste materials. The third, option C, is he read a great deal and loved playing drums. And the last one is all of the above. Yes, my dear students, which one is the correct answer? So in the summary itself, I have mentioned all the three items support the statement Hanif was a man with varied talents and interests. So therefore, option D, all of the above, is the correct answer. Next one. So okay. Thank you very much for providing me thank you very much for providing me an opportunity. So here it ends this session of the analysis of Narayanpur incident and a great martyr ever cherished. I have prepared this multiple choice questions as far as my knowledge is concerned. And also with discussing with my friends also. My friends also cooperated to prepare this questionnaire. uh, I thank the Honorable BU Office of Maduru, and also I thank Mr. Natesh, Education Coordinator Maduru, Mr. Mahesh, Education Coordinator Maduru, Mr. Lokesh, he was also my classmate, Education Coordinator Maduru, and my best friend, Mr. Mahadev Prasad. He had shouldered all this responsibility of conducting classes through YouTube. Really, it was a good work, and I'm really very happy to be here to and conduct a session. I thank all of these faculty for providing me a great. I think it was a great opportunity for providing me an opportunity to conduct this session. Once again, thank you very much.